Alright guys, as an eyelash technician, your job is not only know how to glue eyelash extensions on customers' eyelashes, but also your goal is to understand and know that you want your customer to have the best retention of their eyelash extensions possible. So in this video, you're going to learn the materials that will help you to extend the retention of your customers' eyelash extensions. Primer is a solution that helps us to clean and prime natural eyelashes of a customer. Primer makes the surface of the natural eyelash rougher by dehydrating it, which helps the glue to adhere to the natural eyelash better. Using primer is important, especially for customers with oily skin, because customers with naturally oily skin usually have shorter retention. So make sure to prime their eyelashes and remove excess oils. So when the primer should be used? Primer should be used right before the eyelash extensions application. You have to understand this is not a makeup remover. So make sure your customers remove any makeup with oil-free makeup remover before they lay down.
So how do we use primer on pre-clean natural lashes? We're going to apply a small amount of primer solution onto 2 microbrushes. Starting from 1 millimeter from the roots, we're going to distribute the primers through the natural lashes. After that, let the primer completely dry before you start applying the extensions.
If natural eyelashes are not squeaky clean, if they have makeup residue, any natural occurring oils, the eyelash extensions will not fully attach and will fall off faster. So the next thing you should know about as an eyelash technician that will help you to extend the retention is glue setting solution, or in lash tech slang, Activator. So what does the Activator do? You actually apply Activator right after you finished with application of eyelash extensions. Activator speeds up the curing process of the glue and helps the glue to form stronger bond between natural eyelash of a customer and an eyelash extension, which in turn extends the retention period.
When we finished lashing, we're going to apply glue activator. Pick up 2 microbrushes and apply small amount of activator solution and distribute it through the lashes where the extensions glued to the natural lashes. Let it dry completely and then brush the lashes.
Another thing that might help you with retention is Nano Mister. So what is Nano Mister? Nano Mister is a small device that disperses small particles of water. Since all the eyelash extensions glues on the market cure by absorbing the humidity from the air, Nano Mister can help speed up the curing process. It would depend on the area where you work and live. So if you live in the area with moderate temperatures and humidity, using Nano Mister would be optional. The glue activator would be enough. However, if you live in a very dry area or for some reason cannot adjust the humidity in your workspace, Nano Mister is a must-have because there is not enough humidity in the air for the glue to cure properly. Examples of such areas would be Arizona or Southern California in the United States. If you live in the area with high humidity, such as tropical areas like Florida, you will not need Nano Mister at all. If you have to use Nano Mister, use it right after you applied Activator. Also make sure that eyelash extensions are brushed before you use Nano Mister. Spray the mist evenly on the lashes and let them dry naturally. Don't spray too much. The mist will help the glue cure faster and better. So now you know all the materials that will help you with the retention. These are must-haves, except the Nano Mister if you live in a tropical high humidity area.